Oh! Nice.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, west central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Atkinson to near Exeter, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
Bruh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Milton, Exeter, O'Connell, Elmira, Lake Koshkonong, Rome, Hebron, Sullivan, O'Connell, Lake, Buzzaville, Summit, Indianford, Helenville, and National Weather Service Milwaukee, Sullivan.
What?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock and southwestern Jefferson counties will expire at 5 p.m.
Dude, look at that one south of us, that re-blew.
Did it?
Here.
The one right there?
Yeah, well look at precipitation depiction on radar. That one's obviously behind.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
That one blew back up.
I'm kidding. This one didn't activate. That's alright. I was probably standing right there. Or I was standing right there.
The wind is about dead on that thing. It's like 20.